We are focusing on digital aspects of products as well as production, having personalized production, having series one production, so only every product is different, and that leads to individual products which also are digital or have some digital components. So you have some personalized medicine, you have personalized tools which you use for diagnostics and so on. So all that is very important in combination with digital aspects. So that's why we try to focus on that. This has another aspect also. Our companies are producing, for example, sensors, which are very important for the digitization. But on the other hand, they themselves are not very digital. So we, as an association working for our members, we will help them. This has two aspects. The first is that especially microtechnology companies, especially when they are working in the medical field, they are profiting of the pandemic, if you want, because they are producing products which are needed by the to develop new vaccines, to develop new diagnostic tools which are necessary to overcome the pandemic. So when we asked them in the beginning of the pandemic, so April, they all said, no problem, we have more to do than ever. But this changed now after 6 months of this crisis. Many of these companies tell us now that they have problems to get their components from overseas, and also customers. Our companies deliver to customers all over the world. And again, the transport, the logistics is very difficult at the moment. So after 6 months, they really feeling problems and issues with the pandemic. The first solution, which is obvious, is looking for suppliers close to your place, which means in Europe, in Germany. And that's something they do already, of course. And that's something also, I think, will stay even after the crisis, which does not mean that international business is over. Of course, we will still have customers in these countries. We still have production in these countries. From IVAM side, we try to do the same as we did in a real fair in the past years. So we try to offer the same opportunities, the same possibilities for our members, for our exhibitors, for guests and visitors. In principle, everything which we do in a real fair, we will do here too. And that's, for example, of course, the most important part, the booths of the exhibitors. We will use the COMPAMED and Medica system from Messe Düsseldorf, so they can show their products and pictures, they can exchange information about their products. There is a video chat possibility so that they can talk with visitors. So that's the one thing. Then they want to explain their product, so we have, as usual, a forum with different sessions where the exhibitors can present their products and ideas and new technologies. This will take place as a virtual web conference, as a webinar. And so everyone who wants to join and discuss with the presenters can join us. You only have to send us a message and register on our website, IVAM website, or on the Messe Düsseldorf website, and then you can discuss with the presenters about their products and ideas. This also will be streamed, so you can see this even after the show. The third is we will organize B2B meetings as we did in the past. We want to have a kind of open get-together